Hey, what is up guys? Straight to the point. I have a really dirty carpet, as you can see. I'm gonna try to make it as good as possible, maybe even brand new, I hope. So all right, first thing first, you see there's a lot of dirt, debris. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna vacuum the most I can. All right, now at this point, you can use your favorite carpet cleaner. In this case, I'm gonna use this one. You can also use a brush, but I prefer to use a drill. It speeds up the process way faster and it cleans the carpet way better. All right, now we just wait about 30 to 40 seconds and then we'll use the drill. All right, look at that. It looks way better already, way better. Now you can use a towel and make sure you clean it all the way. And I'll show you how this looks after. I don't know about you guys, but this, I don't know why this looks really satisfying. Going from really dirty to this. Now at this point, I really like to use these vacuum extractors. They're very nice. You put the vacuum cleaning solution on one side, and once you turn it on and you press this button right here, it throws it from here. And at the same time, this part right here, it sucks all the water that you throw. So you can pick up all the nasty smells and the dirt that's there. So I mean, this device is really good. I really like this one. So let's give it a shot. Let's give it a try. Oh, and I forgot to mention, on this side, you're gonna see all the ugly water, all the dirty water is gonna fill up real quick. You'll see. Wow. All right, so now you can use a brush just so that you can put like all the hairs facing towards the same direction, and it's gonna look super clean. Can you see? Or if you don't have a brush, you can use a towel, same thing. You can just go like this. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, guys, we went from this to this. Wow, guys, this carpet is looking amazing. I really like how it turned out to be. We went from night to day. Look, it looks amazing. Way better than what it was before. I know you might think, oh, hey, it's better maybe just to go and buy a new carpet. But I mean, sometimes you're not able to find, you won't be able to find the same carpet for your car. Sometimes your car is a little bit older, you won't be able to find it. But I mean, yeah, I mean, it's if you have the option to buy it, yeah, I guess you can go and buy it. But, you know, with the magic of a brush, of a drill, and the carpet cleaner, like I said, we went from that ugly carpet to this beautiful clean carpet. Now we're just gonna let it dry and just go ahead and put it back in the car. All right, guys, that's it for the video. I really enjoyed recording this video. It was really satisfying going from that ugly carpet to this one. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll be putting a link down below in the description with all the items that I used in this video. And like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys want me to do more videos like this one. Like this video, share it with your friends. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? What we have here is a beautiful carpet that needs just a little bit of tender love and care. What we got here is melted crayon, melted gummy, melted candy, melted chocolate, syrup, and just a little bit of dust. So let's start with the vacuum.